You searched how to buy shares of Weatherford International PLC, and this short guide will show the basic steps. Weatherford International PLC is an oil field services company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker WFRD. This content is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify the account, usually by uploading an ID, and add funds before placing an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker WFRD to locate Weatherford International PLC. Be sure to select the NASDAQ listing so you open the correct stock page. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart for context. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure you are on the right listing before proceeding. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens. And if your balance is insufficient, the platform will request you add funds before final confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order is executed, and you can follow performance there. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to explore the platform further.